Welcome back to Traders Cafe. If you're already collecting dividends from blue chip stocks, what if you could boost that cash flow even more? Today, we'll show you how to supercharge your dividend income by layering covered calls on stocks like VEDL, Coal India, and IOC. Dividend yields alone can be 3 to 5% annually, but by selling covered calls, you can add 1 to 3% more every month, turning a 5% yield into 20% plus if you repeat the strategy smartly. Quick refresher, a covered call is selling a call option on stocks you own. You collect the premium up front. If the share price stays below your strike, you keep both the dividend and the option premium. Think of it like this. Total yield is equal to dividend yield plus option premium yield. Selling calls each month compounds your returns, while dividends compound quarterly or semi-annually. Example, Vedanta Limited, VEDL, yields 4% annually at 230 rupees. Sell a 240 strike call expiring in 30 days for a 5 rupee premium, 2.17% in 1 month. Annualized, that's another 26% on top of your 4% dividend. Coal India pays 5% dividend yield at 215 rupees. Sell the 225 strike call for a 4 rupee premium, that is 1.86% monthly. Combined, you're looking at roughly 27% plus in annualized returns, 5% dividend plus 22% premium. Indian Oil, IOC, yields 4.5% at 130 rupees. Sell the 140 strike call for a 3 rupee premium, 2.3% in a month. Add dividends and you're boosting your yield to nearly 30%. Here's a quick tip. Pick dividend-paying stocks with tight bid-ask spreads and liquid options. Avoid ex-dividend dates for selling calls and choose strikes just above your cost basis to protect upside. If your call goes in the money, roll it, buy back and sell next month at a similar strike to lock in gains and collect fresh premium. Always monitor your position Greeks and earnings events. That's how dividend investors can supercharge returns with covered calls. DM me if you have any questions on how to set this up. And don't forget to hit like, subscribe. See you in the next video. This is the Traders Cafe.